Dear Santa, dear Kris Kringle, the fat RASS. Hold on here, hold on. Back to your fat RASS case. You are the biggest RASS disappointment to Jamaican children. Ever since we could have sense, me I look out for this RASS fat Santa. 19 years now. Santa can't reach a Jamaica. Why we can't come to Jamaica, Santa? Me I wait for you and your 7 dwarf them. Wait, wrong story that. You and your reindeer them. What I name again? You know Dancer and Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet and Cupid, Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of them all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Oh, and if you ever saw him kaboom bang, you would even say it glows. Lord, all of the other reindeers used to tease and call him names, and they would never let Rudolph play in any reindeer games. Sure, then one stormy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, sure, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, is you guide my sleigh. Yes, you and your reindeer them. Me I wait for hearing up on the roof. Merry Black Christmas. But until this RASS day, I don't hear nothing from you. You know how much fruitcake and sorry we left out for you? Ain't dirty Santa in your big red and white stop sign looking clothes. Who dress you? Somebody will invent the traffic sign them. One time I'll go to the extreme for prepare some blouse and skirt, full meal, 5 course, some last supper, some Jesus type feast theme. I know Santa no show. General Star, me hurt. But then again, with the young and the dolly house food, you know, so I'll be a dot dancing. But Santa, you could have still show up polar bear eating, reindeer riding, elf slave master fat RASS. Speaking of elf, I bet you don't have one yardy elf I woke up there. But then again, yo bossy.
Yo, Santa say if you not come and walk.
Come where? Yo, me not come and no walk. Ask Santa if him brain freeze up.
Him say, how you no come and go get ice in your dad?
I seen Bumbo. Make Santa know say a 3 RASS clock snowstorm they out the door. And me not fuck up my clocks for nobody. Santa Bumbo, me not come and no walk. Years, and I know, can't find Santa. Must be somewhere. Santa! Everybody say Santa. Dirty Santa. You snow cone yamming, pine tree smoking, fat RASS. Make you come to Jamaica. Your countries? You have RASS countries. What you really feel like gonna happen to you if you come to Jamaica, Santa? North Pole. You got North Pole, bossy. Baby, North Pole. Any much feel North Pole, you know. North Pole where I should go, you know. North Pole. Up on North Pole we are reach for the Christmas. North Pole, mommy. Come here, give me your bag. Go beside Santa. Put her beside you, see? Man up yourself now, Santa. You're going like you're idiot, so like you don't know if you want your works. Babes, a 4 per reindeer. 4. Yeah, 4 round to go on that one day. Man, he kick you though, you know. No, man, me can't lock you, man. Me tell you, if you tap me, I'm laying cookies there in the brethren. Santa, brethren, what you do, man? You need to lower off a milk, you know. You know, say you're lactose intolerant.
You're lactose intolerant.
You that know my boss. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixer, Comet, Cupid, Donna, Blitzer, Rodan, do one. Why Santa no forward to Jamaica? What make you no forward anywhere in the Caribbean as a matter of fact? What we do you, Santa? You don't even sell one barrel. You know what? As you were. Turn where your ass. Because me here shall be after hours you sneak in a people's house. You don't want to try that at Jamaica. Sneaking in a house after hours means say you just got thief some and I try go back in without making a sound. Or use a damn thief. Either way, it don't mean nothing good for you. One rusty rotted chop out of one last. The Americans them all of them pick me on your lap. Willingly bring their children to the mall so their children can sit on your lap. Go on, little Timmy. Sit on Santa's lap. That's my boy. That's my boy. Go on, sit. He's a damn pedophile Santa. Speaking of kids, me not hear of you having none. A Hollywood bring about this Mrs. Claus, but as far as me used to hear about Santa, me never used to hear about the Mrs. Claus. If a man can barely go a day in a this warm climate here without a beautiful female, how the hell you up there so way so cool? Up there with reindeer and elf. You don't want a woman? Mine ain't a Santa. Mine and you are the reason why Rudolph knows so red. Watch it in a Santa. Yeah, go load. Getting a woman should not even be hard for you. Brethren, you persuade a reindeer for RASS fly. How you persuade a reindeer for fly? Would I understand if it's a wolf or a dog? Cause a man best friend and yeah, blah boom boom, you know. How you persuade one RASS reindeer? How you tell one reindeer say he can fly? Me can barely convince my dog say I'm me come in the yard at night time. Hey, move dog! Move! Move your RASS. The man persuade the reindeer for fly. And no woman. Dear Santa, tell me where your RASS day. Me all here say you have door. You sure some people pick me and kidnap a can't go walk at North Pole? Somebody need to call charge services for your RASS. Dirty stink Santa, you fat French fry. Dear Santa, you damn obese you. Somebody need to report you. Me I go call the police. Dear Santa, this is why Jamaicans don't believe in you. Because you have a straight up fuckery. P.S. I've been good all year.
What? That no hot. Dear women, why?
Suck you what? Suck me good? Vagina for sale.
Send me back to Africa.
All year.
Panty puppet.
I just want to say happy holidays to everybody who watch KEVIN2WOKRAYZEE. Keep liking and sharing my videos. Enjoy the rest of your holidays and just, you know, I don't know what else to say. Happy holidays, man. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at KEVIN2WOKRAYZEE. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.
So, then one stormy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, kaboom bang, Rudolph returned oh so bright.